Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be discuss about the multiplication of the algebraic expressions. Okay, let's solve. We will consider the solved some here. Consider the solved examples. Let us solve some problems here based on the multiplication of different types of the algebraic expressions. For example, illustration 1 is that multiply by 5x with 21y and 32z. So I will multiply three expressions, 5x, 21y, and 32z. So I write here 5x, 21y, 32z, and there is the sign of the multiplication between them. So 5 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 32 means for first of all, we will multiply 5 multiplied by 21, that is equal to 105. And x multiplied by y is xy, then multiply by 32z. Okay. For example, I search here the calculator. So here we have the calculator. 32 multiplied by 30, I think so. I will consider 5 multiplied by 21. 5 multiplied by 21. And its result is 105. Okay. 105 xy. Okay, x and y multiply will be xy multiplied by 32. 105 multiplied by 32. Multiply by 32. 32 multiply by 105, and its result is 3360. Okay, so x and y will not be multiply, just they will multiply like this with that xy, and xyz is multiply xyz, and that is, and constants are multiplying with each other. Okay, now illustration 2. Find the volume of a cuboid. Volume means length into width or breadth into height. Okay, so if its length is 5ax, breadth is 3by, and height is 10cz. So I will multiply it, length into breadth into height. So 5ax multiplied by 3by plus 10cz. So constant will be multiplied with each other. 5 3s are 15, 15 10s are 150. So its result is 150. And A, B, C, alphabetically we will write it in a ascending orders or descending orders, that A, B, X, Y, Z. Okay, like this way. Basically, best is that A, B, C, X, Y, Z alphabetically will be in ascending or descending order. And similarly, for example, we have to multiply that 2a square plus 9a plus 10 multiplied by 4a. Then 4a multiply will be multiplied to all values of the second expression. Okay, 4a multiplied by 2a square, 4a multiplied by 9a, 4a multiplied by 10. So 4a multiplied by 2a square, first value, second value, third value, all values are multiplied by 4a. Then 4 2s are 8, and a raised power 2 and a raised power 1 will be add. So a cube, so 9 4 are 36, 8 is powers are 1 plus 1 add up. So it's a square 40a. Similarly, illustration of 4, x into x minus 2 plus 5. So x into x minus 2 plus 5. So its result is, for example, x into x is x square minus 2x plus 5. X will be multiplied on the bracket portion. X multiplied by x and 2 multiplied by x. Then plus 5 will be added. So x square minus 2x plus 5. And if this is the expression of the multiplication, and if we tell us that in the question there is a written that for x value, what is the value for x is equal to 3, then we will put at x is equal to 3. So 3 will be the put in place of x. So 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus 5. So 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 5. So the result is 8. Similarly, you see there that 4y into 2y minus 6 minus 3 into y minus 20 2 plus 20. So multiply 4y will be the multiply to the bracket portion. 4y multiplied by 2y minus 4y multiplied by 6. Similarly, minus 3 is multiplied by y and minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. And plus 20 will be the same remain. And also I have to check at the last the y value is that equal to minus 1. But he in this solution, in the start, he put the value of the y is equal to minus 1. So 4 into minus 1, 3 into y. In place of y, he put here the minus 1. So this is the one place, second place, third place. In three places, we put the y is equal to minus 1. So 4 multiplied by minus 1 into 2y minus 2 into minus 1. That's why multiply by minus 1 and minus 6, minus 3, and y is minus 1, minus 2, and plus 20. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and minus 6. Minus 3 and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 plus 20. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 is result is minus 8. Its result is minus 8, and minus 4 into minus 8 is positive 32. Minus minus positive, and 3 3s are 9, and plus 20, and its result is 61. Okay. These are the some questions which are related to the multiplications. That constant will be the multiply with constant, and if the variables are same, then their powers will be add with each other. And if the variables are not same, then they will be simple multiply. 2x, for example, multiply by 3y. X and y are different variables, then they will be right like this way, xy. And 2 3s are 6. Okay. And similarly, for example, 3x 4y multiplied by 5z, three different variables, then they will not multiply with each other, their powers will not add up with each other. They will also write as xyz, and but 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 12 5s are 60. And I also show you the some different value. I think so it's enough. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. And if there is I will write it by myself, that if is multiplied by 2x multiplied by 3xz, x square z, then 2 3s are 6. Okay. If the variables are same, then their powers will be the add up, and its result is the x raised power 3, and this is the last value z. Okay, that is the result. But if their powers are variables are not same, then they will be multiplied simply. But if the variables are same, then their powers will be the add up like this way. So I also write it. Okay, similarly 5x 2y 3z, then 5 multiplied by 2y multiplied by 3. So 6 5s are 30, 30 x y z. But if there is mention what will the value of the 3x plus 2, what will be the value of 3x plus 2 when x is equal to minus 1? There is not multiplication. They just tell us that what is the value of x is equal to 3x plus 2 if we place the value of x minus 1. So 3x plus 2 at x is equal to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 plus 2. So minus 3, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2, and its result is equal to minus 1. Okay, that is the multiplication. If you feel any problem, then ask me, and you will discuss more about the expression. That is just the simple multiplication of the terms in the algebraic form. Okay. And what is the variable? Variable, in fact, the unknown quantity used in the algebraic expressions. And usually it is denoted by x, y, z, or ABC, etc. Okay. And the coefficient, the coefficient is the value which is attached with the variable. Okay. For example, if there is 3x, then 3 is the coefficient. Okay. And monomial means that the full expressions, for example, 4x, that is there is the coefficient and variable. When these are done, both are in one expression, that is called the monomial. Binomial, that there is the plus minus sign between them, between two expressions, 4x plus 4, 5y plus y, and trinomial, that it is the there is also the higher degree variables are involved. For example, 4x square plus 4x plus coefficients and variables are added with either, that is the trinomial. Hope you would find. If you feel any problem in mathematics, then ask me, and subscribe my channel and share it more and more and like it. Thank you so much.